Ford is putting the finishing touches on the Puma Eve, ahead of its debut later this year. It's expected to have a 134 horsepower electric motor and resemble the facelifted Puma. It will likely be priced between the regular Puma and Mustang Mach-E. Ford is gearing up to introduce the all-new Capri on July 10th, but that isn't the only electric vehicle on the horizon. Quite the opposite, as Spied photographers have snapped new pictures of the electric Puma that will be called Jenny. Caught undergoing testing in the Alps, the electric crossover is heavily disguised, but follows in the footsteps of the facelifted Puma that was introduced earlier this year. We can expect a handful of changes, including a fully enclosed grille and what appears to be a modified front bumper. Spy shooters didn't get a look inside, but the cabin should echo its counterpart. As a result, we can expect a 12.8-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch SYNC for infotainment system. Drivers can also expect to find a wireless smartphone charger and an assortment of driver assistance systems, such as intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go. One of the biggest mysteries is the powertrain, but the Puma is expected to echo the E-Transit Courier. If that's the case, we can expect an electric motor developing 134 horsepower, 100 kilowatts, 136 PS, and 214 pounds-ft to 190 Newton-meters of torque. The model may also have a modest 100 kilowatts DC fast charging capability. That's pretty low, but the automaker has previously said enables the van to get up to 54 miles 87 kilometers of range in 10 minutes. Ford hasn't said much about the crossover at this point, but has previously stated the Puma Jenny will be unveiled later this year. It will presumably cost more than the regular Puma £25,800, but far less than the Mustang Mach-E £43,330 and Explorer Eve £45,875.